welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Lesleyanne and I typically upload to my channel Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you like what you see in any of my videos, I would really love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I have got an unboxing for you. This is a Birchbox unboxing. Now, a subscription has been given to me as a Christmas present, so I feel so happy to have received it. To say it's here, haven't opened it yet at all, so I don't even know which box this is or anything. So let's get unboxing. Oh, I can see which one it is. I've seen so many doing unboxing on this one, and because this is obviously as a present, I didn't know when it was going to start, which box I'd get first, but oh my. Get rid of the box. Oh, it's this beautiful emerald green makeup bag, or I suppose if you're going out in the evening, it could become like a little clutch, couldn't it? You know, it's emerald green, it's quilted, and it's got a lovely little tag. It does say Birchbox, but you know, nobody's really going to see that, are they? And then the zip is rose gold. There you go. And this is the little book, so I'm just going to have a look through that so I can actually see now what I've got in here. I'm going to open it up now, and then I can refer to the leaflet at the same time. So the first thing I'm pulling out, and this is a recommended retail price of £12, and it's an eyelash curler. And the eyelash curler that I have has actually seen better days, to be honest with you. I've had it for more years than I could even remember. So to have a nice new one is just fabulous. And I like it when the lash curlers are quite straight here to face, like this. If I go sort of contour wise, if I go sideways like that, can you see? That fits nice and sort of snug to your face, and it's not too sort of concave or anything. I feel you get a better job done to your lashes, but that is beautiful. And it actually does say Birchbox across here. Oh, I love that. I really did need another one of those. Okay, let me look at this and then I can dive in for the next item, which is by Ico liquid eyeliner. This is the Ico I Do liquid eyeliner. Recommended retail price is £9, and it says, do your feline flicks often turn out more like panda peepers? Well, no more. This eyeliner boasts a perfectly shaped nib to give you the control and precision required to draw the perfect cat's eye. What's more, conditioning wide lash allows for smooth application that doesn't skip or drag, leaving a smooth jet black finish. And the eyeliner is waterproof, so it won't even budge even on the waterline. That's what it says. So let's get this open, shall we? This sun is in and out, but to be expected this time of year, I guess. So just unscrew, or to pull it, you pull it. Okay. That is what the nib is like, and I'm gonna try and attempt to do a little cat's eye now. I'll just do it looking straight ahead in the mirror, okay? Quite sweet, isn't it? There's quite a small cat's eye, but it's enough. You can see it. It's great for day look. Specs on again. This is by Cella, and it's a eyeshadow palette. Recommended retail price £19.95. This vegan and cruelty-free eyeshadow palette, containing 4 versatile warm neutral shades, has the potential to create a multitude of eye looks. The 2 pale shades and 2 matte water-resistant shadows. This palette is an everyday essential that will take you from desk to disco in a flash. For a more vibrant look, use your finger to apply the pale shades for a maximum shimmer. Okay, so let's delve in. Wow, it seems an awful lot of money for such a tiny little palette. But Oh, they are beautiful. They are beautiful. Those colours. Oh, I'm going to do a swatch. I've got to, haven't I? Let me just have a drink of my coffee. First of all, I'm going to go in with this dark brown here. And I'll just sort of swatch it there. I pressed it very, very gently. So very buildable and not sort of too extreme when you first sort of apply it. I'm going to go for this one here. Here we are, it's just next to it, just there. Okay. And then let's go for the shimmery gold. Oh, it's like foil, look at it. Oh, it's beautiful. Can you see it here? How beautiful is that? And then for the sort of silvery coloured one, like this one here, the more sort of pearlescent one, I'll do that here. So very, very, very pretty. And I'm just going to take my finger that I use, the gold one, and I'm literally just going to press a little bit on, just to see. Oh gosh, it is gold. How pretty is that? I just have to even it up now, don't I? Try it on this eye. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. And now we've got Lapcos, which is charcoal exfoliating and cleansing pad. This exfoliating and cleansing pad is backed with charcoal powder to draw dirt and toxins to the skin surface so that they can be gently wiped away without irritating the skin. The dual-sided pad lifts away heavy makeup and impurities from pores, while rice and soybean extracts provide hydration and anti-aging benefits. There's a little note at the bottom that says, did you know that soybean extract promotes skin elasticity? And recommended retail prices of £10. So let's get this one out. Oh, there it is. Do you want to use it once then? Let's have a look. So that's what it looks like. Comes in a sachet. Oh, insert fingers into the sleeve, quilt side facing down. Gently rub your face and neck in a circular motion. Dirt, skin cells and debris will be visibly removed from skin. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. I don't know that you can use it again. I'd say it's probably a one-time use. So yeah, looking forward to trying that one. And then we've got Percy and Reed. Big, bold and beautiful dry instant volumizing spray. Sometimes you just need a little extra je ne sais quoi, and we found it. This volume boosting spray plumps your hair in a flash, giving you a head of hair that's full of body bounce, volume and texture. It's the perfect refresher for styles that have lost their oomph to humidity, gravity or time. Recommended retail price £15. Wow. I have actually used this before. I've had this before. And it is really, really good and absolutely perfect if you are, well, I would say normal times, if you were going out after work, but let's face it, it's not really happening now, is it? You could pop this into your handbag is what I was trying to say, and then you could like jazz your hair up a little bit before you went out, or even if you're like a couple of days down the line with your hair wash and for whatever reason you don't want to wash your hair, I try shampoo, is always the way to go. And as I say, I've used it before and it's very, very good. Okay, last one. So this is by Han. Hydrating hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizers can be moisture sapping, sticky, and don't even get us started on the smell. Han Ready is here to save the day. This liquid sanitizer packed with aloe vera not only hydrates the skin to leave your hands feeling smooth, but the delicate scent is like a perfume for your hands. The cute packaging is only a plus. Our recommended retail price for this one is £5.95, and they're the different colours. So let's just see what it's like, shall we? It doesn't smell of your usual sort of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. It's a little bit musky, so maybe that's because it says, what's it say, wood night. So maybe that's why it's a little bit musky, but that's very, very unisex, that one. Okay, so that's everything that was in this beautiful bag. I mean, just look, it's absolutely adorable. I'm going to use this as my makeup bag in my handbag, but that is what came in this Birchbox, and I do think this was December's Birchbox, so I should be getting January's very soon. Can't wait, so excited. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, my lovelies, and you know, if you feel like treating yourself, or if somebody wants to treat you for a birthday or something, maybe suggest a subscription box, because it's just fabulous. You don't know what you're going to get either. But if you have enjoyed it, I'd love you to give me a nice big thumbs up. That tells YouTube that you're liking my videos, and I'd love you to subscribe and become part of my YouTube community. It's growing slowly, but it's growing in the right direction. I like to call it intimate. Yeah, just us, you know. Don't forget to press the notification bell as well, and then you'll know when I do all of my new uploads. So until then, my lovelies, I will be sharing my next Birchbox with you when I get it. Bye for now.